Today being 1st of May 2026. We are here live in Linz for Workers' Day. We are here at the Umu Chineke, the indigenous people of Biafra. We are here live. We are here to protest the release of Nnamdi Kanu and freedom for Biafra. We are here live in Linz, Umu Chineke. Share and join the program because we are here live. We are here live. Umu Chineke is here. Look at our children. They are here live and direct. We are here live and direct in Linz. We are here and live. We are joining the Workers' Day. You can see live and direct. We are here in Linz. This is session by session. Session by session. Umu Chineke is here. Biafra. Biafra. Cry hard for Biafra. Cry hard for Biafra. Cry hard for Biafra. If you are joining me, share the program. Share the program so that other people can join us live. So that other people can join us. Share, share, share. Cry hard for Nnamdi Kanu. Cry hard for Nnamdi Kanu. Cry hard for Nnamdi Kanu. Umu Chineke, if you are joining me, please share the program. We are here live in Linz, in Ipob strike. Yeah, we are here live, Umu Chineke. Share and share so that other people can join us. We are in the 1st of May 2026. If you are joining me, please share and share so that others will join and see what is happening here. We are live. Live from Linz Austria. We want freedom for Nnamdi Kanu and freedom for Biafra. We are here live in Linz Austria. Umu Chineke, if you join me, share the program so that others will see us. We are not terrorists. We are the indigenous people of Biafra. And we trust our family members, Ipob all over the world. And we believe and trust in DOS, led by Nnamdi Kanu. He is our leader. We are not interested in 100 ships. No, on DOS we stand. On DOS we stand. We are here live and direct. Although it's a little bit cold, but the sun will come out any moment from now. God bless Umu Chineke. Biafra. Biafra. We are here live and direct in Linz Austria. We are in 1st of May 2026. You can see terrorists cannot be in the midst of peaceful people. So we are live. Join me. If you join me, please share and share so that others will know. If you are joining me, share the program live from Linz Austria. When I'm saying live from Linz Austria, that is Austria, Austria in English, and in Dutch is Ober Austria. Share the program. We are here live and direct. Today being the 1st of May 2026. We are joining the March Workers' Day. Yeah, for here we seen about the Great Britain as you know, this Nigeria is better than American oil and gas. Yeah. Okay, now for that one, they have grocery gas in Uguta, in Imo State. So, this is Nigerian, this is Biafra. Yeah. Danke. Yeah. This man is asking me where is the flag coming from. I was trying to explain to him that we are not Nigerians because of greediness of Britain. They merge us to be Nigerian, but we are not Nigerian. We are Biafra. So if you are joining me, share the program. Share the program. Join and share. Terrorists cannot be in the midst of peaceful people. You see bomb will explode. So we are not terrorists. Nigerian government tried to name us terrorists, but we said no. We are not terrorists. We are not terrorists. You can see what is happening there today. The terrorists, they are destroying, killing innocent souls. So we are not terrorists. We are peaceful people. We live all over the world. Because of the greed of Britain, because of gas and oil coming from our land, they fought us for 35 good years. The Ekumeku warrior pursued them, throw them away. But today they are using the Fulanis. They are using them, fawning them to grab our land. The Fulanis or the Islamic jihadists, they promise that they will dip Quran in the ocean, Atlantic Ocean. But we have our gallant men and women living in the bush, the protector and the guidance of our land, the ESL. They are driving them away, doing the needful, so that Biafran people will have peace. So here we are today, 1st of May. You can see a lot of people in different groups. We are here to march. Today being the 1st of May, Workers' Day. We are workers in Austria. That is the reason why we have our own platform. No matter where we are working, we come as an IPOP, led by Nnamdi Kanu and directed by Directorate of State, which the leader is Chikam Edoziem, the HOD. He is the head of DOS, Chike Edoziem. So we are here live and direct in Linz Austria. So much, if you join me, please share so that others will get our program. We are not terrorists. We are indigenous people of Biafra. We are peaceful people. We are in every country in the planet Earth. So we are not terrorists. Join us and make this a beautiful program so that others will know that we are in Austria. We are marching in Austria today being 1st of May 2026 with no shaking. If you join me, please share this program so that others will join. Chineke, we are here. No shaking. At the end, Biafra will come. Share Chineke. Okay, this is one of our Biafra. If you join, please share and share so that the world will know that we are in Austria. We are not terrorists. As you can see, we are in midst of people. We are in midst of congregation. We are in midst of crowd. Both beautiful and handsome men and women, little children, all over. Terrorists, when terrorists in the midst of people, they will explode bombs. They will come to make mayhem and cause destruction and death. But we are here live and direct. We are peaceful people. We love life. Ndị Igbo si mma nke mmadụ mmadụ ya mma nke mmadụ mmadụ ọhịa bụ anyị ụmụ Chineke.
IPOB is live and direct.
Yes.
For those of you who think that IPOB is not existing, we are more stronger and more stronger. IPOB Austria, we are more stronger and stronger as long as we live it. Biafra must come. Biafra must come. I hear Biafra.
Biafra, we heard it. Share. We are live. Share and share.
Please, as you are watching, share. As you are watching, share. Share the program. Share the program. This is IPOB Linz. IPOB Linz. Today we are marching to make sure the whole world see what we are doing. IPOB Austria. IPOB Austria. We are gathering in Linz. Led by the HOD. We are here live and direct. As you are watching, share, so that others may join us. All hail Biafra.
Biafra, we hear this. You can see this is our PRO speaking. He has said it all. So if you come live, please share so that others can see it. We are not terrorists. We will never be terrorists. We are Biafrans, the indigenous people of Biafra. Share the live so that others will see. Terrorists cannot be in the midst of congregation. We are in Linz, you can see, in the midst of crowd, multitude of crowd, turn by turn, everything is organized. So very soon we'll be marching on our own. This is another group there with our flags.
Share the live. Share, so that others may watch also. Share the program. Please. Go to your Facebook platform, share so that other icons worldwide will be watching. Then it's not going to have. Please let it know noise.
Share the line, share the life, share the life. Oh, hey, Biafra. You're welcome. I'm live. Okay. This is IPOB Linz with our family in Ipob strike. We are live and direct. Today being the 1st of May. (2026). Michael Ezako, I see you. Wada, I see you too. Share the live so that others will join. We are live and direct. Oh, hey, Biafra. Let the world know that we are not terrorists. Look at multitude of people. Let me go around and show you the crowd. We are in batch by batch. Everybody is in their own session. So we are not terrorists. We reside here in Austria. And we work and we pay our tax. So Nigerian government cannot intimidate us to name us terrorists. You see, you can see far. I don't want to be far from our people. We are formidable. We are formidable. We are formidable. Share the program, share it, so that other people will see and know that we are formidable. We are not terrorists. We are indigenous people of Biafra. When you talk of peace, we are for peace. Not that we cannot do it otherwise, but we don't kill people anyhow. We love people. We love humanity. We love life. We love life. That is why we Igbos, we say, Madu, manke madu. God did not create us to come and send our children to become suicide bombers. No. We born them so that they will continue to take over from us. That is why we are here with them. Generation from generation continue to go. We didn't want them to use them that say God said we should go and kill others. No. That is why they are here with us. You can see our Biafra flag by the Linz Austria. See, we are live and direct. We are not terrorists. Oh, hey, Biafra. Oh, hey, Biafra. I'm live. How are you? Oh, hey, Biafra. Talking. You gonna pay on our life. All hail Biafra. This is our turn. There is nothing like terrorists in our blood. These are children. You can see this is Ipob Austria. We are live and direct, doing the needful. Share the program, share and share. If you are joining me, share and share. We are peaceful people. We are here direct in Linz Austria, doing the needful. The Ipob, you can see the police. They are watching. Not like the Nigerian terrorist country, killing people on a daily basis. Their police is extremely wicked to the citizen. We are here, our children are here, the future of Biafrans. Share the program, share. If you are alive, share so that others will know. So that the zoo country will know that we are alive. And we are not terrorists. We are Biafrans. Biafra! Biafra! Share and share and share, please, so that other people will join. Share and share. Share and share. Share so that others will know, so that Tunubu, the dead man walking, will know that we are Biafrans and we are alive. We exist in all the country of the world. Let me show Umuchineke how formidable we are in midst of people, in thousands of people. We are formidable. We are not terrorists. We are more than formidable. You see the crowd? We are in different groups. We are in different groups. We are formidable. Share the program. Share and share. We are in Austria. You can see Muchineka behind. I don't want to go far from them. Super. So share the program. We are formidable. We are live and direct. We are live in Austria. Share the program. Share the program. We are not terrorists. We are not terrorists. No matter what they are doing to tag us terrorists, they cannot achieve it. We are Biafran. Ụmụ Chineke, gbasa n'ozi ọma Chineke ka ntị ha niile nụrụ. BOS is our hope. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu is the leader. There is no way you can dispute it. We are not terrorists. He is our leader. We recognize him. We thank him for opening our brain, making us to think critically. You know, his university we attended, we learned a lot. So nobody can deceive us now. We are wise and we are whiter than snow. Share the program, share it to Muchineke. Share the program.
Where are my people?
If you join, share for others to join us.
As you are watching, share. So I will get more views. I want the whole world, I want the whole world. Biafrans are not terrorists. No fighter who wants to be from I'm not terrorists.
Come and serve your nation. We are the indigenous people of Biafra. I'm just showing you the environment. We are live and direct in Linz, the indigenous people of Biafra. We have been recognized all over the world. So we are not terrorists. We are not terrorists, and we can never be. If you join the live, please share so that others will know, so that it will get to the government of the zoology country called Nigeria. We are live and direct. We are live and direct in Linz. You can see everywhere is closed because today is 1st of May, Workers' Day, almost all around the world. We are marching, and the Austrian government recognizes us as a peaceful organization and peaceful people. That's indigenous people of Biafra. Whether you are coming from Edo, whether you are coming from Delta, whether you come from Bayelsa, the so-called River State, the so-called Imo State, the so-called Anambra State, the so-called Enugu State, Ebonyi State. This is all to divide us, divide and rule. That is why they give us the name of river. Just to divide us, to take what is belonging to us. The oil and gas, they're using the money, they terrorize us, killing and causing mayhem in our land. But we say no. We want to be free from this jungle that Britain created, magmated us for nothing, just to destroy the humanity. We are here. Terrorists cannot join crowd multitude like this. It's unbelievable. We are on the 12th. In the plan, we are on the 12th. Many are coming behind us. So how can terrorists be in the multitude of people? It's impossible. Please share the program and let the zoo government know that we are not terrorists. We are not terrorists, and we can never be. See, the police are watching peaceful without any AK-47. They are with their pistol just to protect the masses. You can see this is a policeman. So you can see it. You can see him. The policeman. You can see him directing peacefully. So Nigerian government, the zoo government, the terrorist government, they send their own with AK-47 in the main road to destroy, to kill, to extort money from the individuals, from the indigents they're supposed to protect. They're extorting money from them, causing mayhem, killing and destruction. So we are here to tell the world we need freedom. We need freedom. We need freedom. We need freedom. Freedom in any ramification. Freedom of speech, freedom of life, freedom to do that which is good, protected by law. So we are here. Come and see phone. Yeah. Freedom. Share Umuchineke. Share the program. Adaneka. I see you. Ebosa, give. I see you. Moses, I see you. Zion man, I see you. Share so that others will know that we are live and direct in Nnamdi Austria. No shaking. 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 We are here in Linz Austria. We seen kind terrorists. No shaking. Yeah, Kronye Chideber, I see you. Watching live. Kingsley. Christopher, I see you. Watching live. Share so that others will come in and know that we are not terrorists. We are not terrorists. Terrorists cannot be in the midst of people. Share the program so that it will reach Tinubu, the sleeping president. The sleeping president that have almost destroyed the zoo. Share, and the youth of Nigeria, you should wake up and take what belongs to you. Wake up, the youth of Nigeria. Don't fear death. Wake up. If you don't speak now, I don't know when you will speak. Wake up. We are here to tell the world we are not terrorists. Oh, hey, Biafra. You can see we are in the midst of multitude of people. Terrorists cannot be free moving as we are moving. We don't carry guns. They are carrying AK-47, name it Boko Haram, name it the headers, idiot and header rubbish. They want to grab your land, so you better wake up and say no to this terrorism. We want to build a nation that will favor Dick and Harry. Please, if you're in this life, be there. Please and please share and share and share so that others will see what we are seeing. So that others will see what we are seeing. Oh, hey, Biafra. You can see our flag is up. You can see our flag is everywhere. The people love our flag. The little one we are sharing to them, they are taking it with all pleasantry. You see it? They are lovely people. They are enjoying our coming together to them. Hey! You can see people with our flag smiling. Share and share the program. Biafra! indigenous people of Biafra. We are live here in Linz. Linz is one of the capital of Ipob Austria. Anyway, it's the capital of one of the states in Austria. So you better share and share so that other people will see that we are not terrorists. We live here, we work here, we pay our tax. When you are sick, ambulance will come and pick you if there need be. Share and share and share. I'm showing you around where we are going. Share and share. Ụmụ Chineke, ndewo na ụmụ Chineke. I'm your brother bringing this message live from land of Ipob Austria, Linz precisely. Share the program and God will bless you. Share and share. Dear friends, we are here, and nothing will make us not to get Biafra. No matter their distractions, no matter their shenanigans, Biafra will come. Because of all these little angels, they are future of tomorrow. So we fight it and we will get it, not with gun and bullets, but with the normal way to ask for a referendum. This is what we are asking. As Nnamdi Kanu stated, we will use every means, every strategy to get us Biafra, not by gun and bullets. We will use our brain to get Biafra, to get referendum. This is all what we are asking. We don't want to kill people. Share the program, please. Share and share, so that others will know that we are live in Linz. We are live in Ipob Austria. Share and share. Share and share. Share the program. Enyi Biafra nwantịntị oge. Enyi Biafra nwantịntị oge. Nna biko enyi Biafra nwantịntị oge. We will do it. Enyi Biafra nwantịntị oge. Enyi Biafra nwantịntị oge. Maazị the DOS, they are wise. That is why you can see we are working freely in land of Austria. They are wise. Their decision is excellent. They are wise. Cry hard for Biafra. The indigenous people of Biafra, we are heading here to the Hopla, that's center of the city, where the announcement will be made regarding to our march. You can see people that are hailing us, taking pictures of Biafrans. All these tourists, they are here witnessing what we are doing. This is center of the city. We are approaching there live and direct, so terrorists cannot be in the midst of. Yeah, we are live. You can see we are entering the center of the city. Share and share. Share, we are live and direct. You can see we have been organized. Everything is taking place as it's supposed to be. This is the moment of the day. We are approaching to the center of the city called Linz. You can see this is the center where everything is happening. This is the center. You can see ORF people, they are live and direct. Holy, holy, Nnamdi Kanu. Holy, holy, holy. You can see. You can see the media personnel. They are here. We are in the city, center of the city, where the whole program is taking place.
Hier am Hauptplatz. Freundschaft, schön, dass ihr bei uns seid. Martin Luther King Jr. sagte einmal, Ungerechtigkeit an irgendeinem Ort ist eine Bedrohung für die Gerechtigkeit an jedem anderen Ort. In diesem Sinne begrüßen wir herzlich am Hauptplatz die Indigenous People of Biafra, vertreten durch den Koordinator der Ipob Linz, Masi Esiofo Ifiani, den nationalen Koordinator Masi Nnamdi Kanu sowie den europäischen Repräsentanten Masi Austria. Herzlich willkommen hier am Hauptplatz.
Dankeschön.
Euer Fokus gilt heute der anhaltenden völkerrechtswidrigen Inhaftierung von Nnamdi Kanu.
Yes.
Obwohl das Berufungsgericht bereits am 13. Oktober 2022 seine Freilassung und seinen Freispruch aufgrund der illegalen Verschleppung aus Kenia angeordnet hat, verweigert die nigerianische Regierung bis heute die Umsetzung dieses Urteils. Es ist eine bittere Ironie der Justiz, auf die ihr aufmerksam macht. Während ein politischer Gefangener und britische Staatsbürgerschaft trotz Freispruchs in Haft bleibt, gibt es andere, die nach nur 6-monatigen Rehabilitierungsprogramm wieder in die Freiheit entlassen werden. Ihr fordert das Ende dieser Doppelmoral, die Achtung des Rechtsstaates und die sofortige bedingungslose Freiheit für Nnamdi Kanu. Schön, dass ihr da seid. Freundschaft.
Dankeschön. Dankeschön.
Und wir begrüßen ganz herzlich die Musikkapelle in München. Schön, dass ihr da seid. Herzlich willkommen, Frau musikalische Legende.
Freiheit for Biafra. Freiheit for Biafra. Freiheit for Biafra. Freiheit for Biafra. You can see this is the end of our journey. Here is the center where everybody will come, and the announcement, you have seen it, they have announced our presence here, although it's in Dutch. They are talking of how to free Nnamdi Kanu, that he was kidnapped and returned to Nigeria, the zoo, without any process of law. They kidnap him and bring him to Kenya, from Kenya to the zoo. So they are saying it, they said it in Dutch. All hail Biafra. Here is the center of the something. So this is 1st May 2026. We are the indigenous people of Biafra. From here, we go and allow our people to quench the thirsty. If we have water, we give to them. We have a place to go. Whatever we cook, whatever we have to drink, we do it later. The people that say they love Nnamdi Kanu, we are looking for them. They are not here. Some of them will go to TikTok and start ranting. Some of them will go to Facebook, start ranting. Some of them will go to Instagram and start ranting. We need them. We want them. Where are you people? The land of Biafra. Okay. So, we are looking for every one of them. As we are here, as a peaceful people, we did not see them. I think I have to come to the end of this program. Maybe when we are where we will be entertaining our people, the people that follow us to march, I will come up live and let you people know how it is going. All hail Biafra. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for being with us till later. Thank you.